Hello guys, we're back with another project. On this Veloster, I put a brand new engine from a box. Um, the engine was from China, so it wasn't made from Hyundai. On this engine, basically it's making a weird sound on the piston. It got like a piston slap. It runs on everything, but that sound, I know the sound, and I know if I leave this car like this, it will be coming back with a bad engine or something like that. I don't want any type of problems like that, so I'm trying to fix it now. I'm gonna be putting another engine. That's the engine that I'm gonna be putting. So this video will be a time lapse from me doing everything, so you guys can see how fast I can do it.
cream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. Never been before, never been before.
Hey guys, I did all this job by the camera recording is 3 hours right now, so that's how fast I am. Obviously it's experience. I've been doing it for a long time already. I'm gonna start it so you guys can hear it now. You guys have it quiet. I just need to put the front end and that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.